I'm going to take you through a quick core workout here. Remember that the abs are responsible for flexion of the spine, so anything that flexes the spine, either the legs coming toward the chest or vice versa, works the abs, the obliques. Your side comes toward your hip, shoulder, hip. Okay, let's get started. We'll start with the march and reach. So we'll lift one leg straight out and take the opposite hand and reach on your foot. Seconds rest, then I have a dumbbell here, and we'll go one side, opposite side, other side, opposite. This works the rotation and stability. So bring the chest on your knees. Try and get your lower back off the ground. Don't just neck bob like so many people. We'll do push-ups with the rotation next. So get in a push-up position. Put your arm up and reach through. Repeat on the other side. Do a push-up between. And now we'll work the posterior chain of the core with back extension. Lay on the ground and lift your legs and arms. repeat that cycle 3 more times for a total of 4 sets. That's about 20 minutes. You do the exercise, each one 40 seconds on, 20 off. Live longer, feel better, and add life to your year.